Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shakespeare Hub, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today we're going to practice English speaking using the shadowing technique. Whether you're from India, the USA, or anywhere else in the world, this method will help you sound more natural and confident in English. Let's get started. First, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately after them, almost like an echo. It helps you improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. Ready to try it? Let's go. Here's how it works. I'll say a sentence and you'll listen carefully. Pay attention to my pronunciation, tone, and pace. Let's start with something simple. I love learning new things every day. Listen again. I love learning new things every day. Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me. I love learning new things every day. Great job. Let's try another one. She enjoys drinking coffee in the morning. Listen again. She enjoys drinking coffee in the morning. Now, repeat after me. She enjoys drinking coffee in the morning. Awesome, you're doing great. Now, let's practice with some common phrases you can use in everyday conversations. First, listen. Could you please help me with this? Now, repeat after me. Could you please help me with this? Perfect. Here's another one. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Listen again. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Now, repeat after me. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Well done. Now, let's challenge ourselves with a slightly longer sentence. Listen carefully. I'm really looking forward to the weekend because I'm going to visit my family. Listen again. I'm really looking forward to the weekend because I'm going to visit my family. Now, repeat after me. I'm really looking forward to the weekend because I'm going to visit my family. Fantastic. You're improving already. Remember, the key to mastering shadowing is practice. Try to do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day. You can shadow native speakers from movies, podcasts, or even this video. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound. And that's it. Shadowing is a simple but powerful way to improve your English speaking skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shakespeare Hub for more English learning tips. Let me know in the comments how your shadowing practice is going. Until next time, happy learning. Bye.